First of all, let me pay you this compliment. You are a very wise young man. Huh? Your understanding of these verses, your interpretation is absolutely right. No shadow of doubt. Antumul alana in kuntum mu'minin is a very clear verdict. If the Muslims are no longer alan, they are no longer mu'minin. You see, it is so obvious and evident that no sensible man can reject this conclusion. But about Ahmadis, I can prove that they are alan, because all over the world, wherever they are spreading the message of Islam, they are emerging as conquerors. Christianity, despite its great might, cannot stop the path of Ahmadiyya anywhere. Has totally failed to stop the path of Ahmadiyya. In Africa, Christian leadership has admitted that we could stop the growth of all other Muslim sects, but when Ahmadis came, they stopped our growth. And we could not do anything about it. All over the world, even non-Christians, where they have attempted to stop the Ahmadiyya growth and the spread, they have totally been frustrated by Allah, like idolaters in Africa. They rise and make big claims that we are going to stop the growth of Ahmadiyya. They are frustrated. So what else is alan? Alan is the result of a conflict. The promise is that whenever you come into conflict with any other people, Allah will help you and you will emerge as victorious. So the same verse is the proof of the truth of Ahmadiyya. Please. Jazakumullah. And the time is over now. We have to go to the people waiting in the mosque for prayer, and this is our last session before Jalsa. After Jalsa, I should love to meet you again if we have any opportunity. Convey my regards to everybody and tell what I've said.
Yeah.
This lady, is she related to you? The lady over there?
This is my daughter.
Yes?
This is my wife.
Yes, I thought she was your daughter, but one time you just gave her a look, carrying the message, do this, you know. I immediately understood that she had to be your daughter, you know. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum.